Let me be honest with you. The things quietly messing your life right now are not big problems, though. They are tiny habits you constantly repeat every day without even noticing them. But today, I'll be exposing these habits. No hiding place for them again. Hi, welcome back to the Fresh Start, a space where we reset our mindset, rebuild our confidence so that we'll be the best versions of ourselves. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers, thank you for stopping by. So without wasting much of your time, let's go straight into the topic of the day. The first habit I have on my list is the habit of procrastination. You see this one, It's a professional destiny delayer. In fact, it deserves to have its own Facebook page because it's the greatest of them all. You want to do something and you tell yourself, no, later, I'll keep it tomorrow. And when that tomorrow comes, you keep it next week. And when the next week comes, you tell yourself, I'm going to do this thing unfailingly this new month, new month, new me. Keep on piling up things that you say you will do year in, year out. You're not achieving anything. So here's how to fix this habit of procrastination. Pick one thing out of the numerous things you have and work on it one at a time. If you have like 10 things you've spelled out that you're going to do one at a time. Ensure you work on one. This is how you get the progress. Because when you want to do everything once, you become overwhelmed. It tends to weigh you down easily. But when you pick one at a time, it becomes easier to work on. And at the end of the day, you see yourself achieving your result faster. Then the next habit is negative self-talk. You see this one, it beats my heart. Because most times, the way we talk to ourselves, if someone were to do that to us, we would probably block the person. You look at yourself and say to yourself that you're not good enough. You want to do something, there's this whisper that comes to your ear and tells you, you're not good enough. There are many people that are better than you out there. Nobody will listen to you. Nobody will buy from you. You tend to discourage yourself way before you begin. It's just a situation of you pouring sand inside your garri. That's just what it is. You condemn yourself before you actually start. And this has a way of, shrinking your confidence. When you tell yourself, even before you attempting that you're not good enough, you won't see any result. And you know how the human mind works. Once you start telling yourself something repeatedly all the time, the mind starts accepting it. The mind starts seeing it, that thing is true. You're consciously belittling yourself, condemning yourself that you cannot do it, that you cannot amount to anything. That in itself is a very habit that shrinks your confidence, that makes you stay stuck. Anytime this whisper comes to your ears, shun it, rebuke it, find a way to put it down and tell yourself, I can do it. Encourage yourself, motivate yourself, tell yourself, I am trying, I can do it. Little by little, I will get there. Encourage yourself, you're the one that will do that. Don't get discouraged easily, even before you attempting something. Then the next point I have on my list is the habit of waiting for the perfect condition. Waiting for the perfect time. You see this one, it's the CEO of delayed greatness. That's what I call it. You're always waiting for the perfect time. You want to start something, you tell yourself, I don't have the complete money yet. I don't have the complete equipment. I don't have everything complete already. You're always waiting to feel ready. You always want to start when you feel ready. You always want to start when you want everything to be completed. But my dear, there is no perfect time. Which perfect time are you talking about? The one that you've been saying since 2019 that you're going to do, and you've not even done anything. The ones that you've been postponing since how many years ago and you've not done anything. Is that the perfect time you're waiting for? So my dear, please snap out of it. There's no perfect time. Start today. Start now. Start unprepared. Do you have something you want to do? Start now. Don't wait for the perfect time. Don't wait for when you will feel ready. The world doesn't clap with people with ideas. They clap for people with execution. They clap for people who execute these ideas, who take action. So you don't have to wait for the perfect time when everything will be complete, when you have all it takes for you to start something. Start from where you are. So if this message spoke to you, I want to ask you from a place of honesty, which habit are you guilty of? I want you to drop it in the comment section. If you know the habit you're guilty of, I want you to drop it in the comment section, because me, I'm guilty of these 3 habits. But I started, taking it little by little. I started taking action. I didn't wait for the perfect time. I started my YouTube channel not waiting for when I'll have all the perfect equipment. I am using just my phone to shoot this video. I don't have the best aesthetics, as you can see, but I started. Gradually, with time, I will have other things. So what are you waiting for? Start with what you have. Don't wait for the perfect time when you think everything will be ready, because, my dear, there will never be any perfect time. So please, if this video spoke to you, I would love for you to like this video, subscribe to this channel. It's absolutely free. Subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload content like this, you'll instantly get notified. And I would also love you to share this video to people that you know will need it. Thank you very much for your time. I appreciate you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.